Okay. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna get smashed.
Been had it, told me get him, I got him. Been geeky ever since my little sis was a toddler. Thank you to Nipsey, thanks for rolling with 60s. Thanks for all the hits and all the recognitions to 50. I love my mom and my daddy, you know they raised me. I love my
Okay, what's up, guys? Today here with Average Dev, we're gonna be reviewing some food from Smash CPT, literally down the road. I've had the food before. The food was really good,
Super good.
and yeah, let's get into these burgers.
Which one we're having today?
Let's start with the chicken.
So literally this place is like a kilometer away. Maybe
Less,
500 meters away from us.
meters away. Yeah.
Like I never knew about them. Like until I saw you like posted something about it.
Yeah. Yeah. Their food is really good. You guys should try them out. And yeah.
So owner and head chef Dana used to work at the Alphen Hotel.
We used to go to primary school together. Away, Dana.
You smell like on primary school.
I mean, away, Dana.
No,
This is the
chili bomb. So it's 2 smashed patties.
It's quite juicy, eh? Squeeze it.
Oh,
Look at that. That's quite
oh
juicy.
yo!
My mouth is watering.
I just look at it, it looks so beautiful.
I wish you could look at me like you look at that burger.
Hey? Maybe you must dress up one day in like a burger costume.
Oh, I don't want to hear you.
Oh, this burger hits. Rolls, fresh, soft sesame seed, 2 smashed patties, and then there's what's this, jalapenos, green pepper, gherkins, with a lovely sauce on it. It has a slight kick to it, so
Very slight.
It's-
Like, even if you don't like strong food, you should still be able to tolerate this. Yeah.
like it's not gonna come out fighting tomorrow. Like it's, I can still live a normal day. I didn't have to like leave the next
Oh,
day.
I'm in flashbacks here. Of the Reaper challenge.
Oh, this burger is damn good.
So, I've had these two before.
The truffle and the chicken.
That one is automatic. We just jumped now, basically to first place. I must have this one again, just to like rethink it. And then the patty itself is done very well. Not well done, but like it's done really nice. The patty itself.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
you need meat. Yeah, you
Yeah,
need
it's not
medium
overdone.
rare.
It's so soft. It's still warm.
I'm actually enjoying the truffle burger
What,
a bit more.
what is the white sauce on here?
Secret sauce. Sorry guys, I roller towel ran out 2 weeks before payday. I think Jack is gonna come with a 1 ply here. That's your
one.
best.
No.
Oh,
No,
well,
it's quite close, obviously. I have a feeling I know this is gonna be last. It's still a good burger though. It's still a really good burger, but these two are like really good. I'm gonna.
Sponsored by, I guess.
Listen, I've had the chicken already. The chicken is good, but the other two are like really good.
I would actually give them top 3 in Cape Town burgers. The burgers is like good price, chips is done just right. Everything is there, medium rare patty. There's a flavor profile. Aftertaste is good. Buns is fresh. Everything's juicy. And I think that's like the nicest thing now. Sorry to say, like with COVID, like all those places closing down, all the chefs are like going out on their own and they're making like amazing food that you'd
yeah.
normally pay like 200-300 rand for
Yeah.
at the restaurant. They're doing it for like 75 rand, under 100 rand. So it's better than this Uber savings of like 50 rand if you order over 150. Just get any one of those burger places.
Then people spam my emails all day. Terrible. But yeah, guys, don't get me wrong. Just because I'm putting the chicken burger last between the other two doesn't mean it's not good. It's a really good burger. Nice and crispy. I remember the chicken was like really juicy. The crumb on the outside was like really crispy. And then if you have any type of slaw on a burger like that, then I'm sold. So
It's good, but like I don't know, man. Like I like chicken on its own or in a dish or in like a pasta or whatever, not really on a burger. Definitely still top 3 in Cape Town. But I feel like with chicken burgers, don't have much to compare to the places. This is like,
For me personally, first, second, third. In that order.
and mine's again flipped. Wow, the chicken burger still lost. But mine's the truffle, best, then the chili bomb, and then the chicken burger.
Yeah. Why do you have something against chicken and burgers?
I don't know, I like them like on its own, like I wanna like hold them.
You like grabbing?
I wanna bite it and then like the oil must dispense. Well, Nando's. I'm not a fan of
KFC
the.
is gross.
I'm not a fan of them.
I always have instant regrets after eating KFC. I'm like, ugh.
I normally go to the KFC that's been open the longest because they're still using that oil
From
when they open.
time.
So Dana said she's working on a new hot burger, and this is like a sample chili that.
But what was the words? The words to us was that it's really hot.
And no one,
guys are-
no family can handle it.
Yeah, and you guys are not going to be able to handle it. I'm like, give here.
Like, have you watched the channel, Dana? Are you a subscriber?
Yeah,
Have you liked and shared it?
like I was telling Darren yesterday, I was making pasta for the guys at work, and I was eating the chilies because I wanted something crunchy in my mouth. I'm like, what am I doing? Am I used to hotness on this level now? I'm just eating chilies. I ate 3 people, okay?
But it's green, I don't know why. It looks less intimidating if it's green.
Just wiggle it around in your mouth. Get the full burn. Opening my nose almost immediately.
It's like average hot.
Ooh,
Well,
Yeah.
let's give it like a bit of time to build.
Yeah,
It's like it's coming now.
yeah, it's starting to build. But I'm not even intimidated at all.
Yeah.
getting more.
Nah, it's like, ooh, I'm expecting that. Oh God. No.
Yeah, it's like it's a burn, but it's like
But
I think a 5.
Do you think our tolerance is higher though? Like, does that happen when you eat stronger food? Because I'll tell you this. Remember the first challenge we did, the Korean noodle challenge?
Yeah.
I eat the Korean noodles now. Like, it's 2-minute noodles.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. But yeah, this is gonna be strong if you don't like strong food. It's not gonna be good for you.
Like with hot Nando's, like the very hot you must have. There's like I'm living life normally, but guys, that's been us again. Thanks for tuning into the channel. This is a lovely meal given from Dana from Smash GPT. I'll drop all her links to the page below. Check them out. If you go there, take a photo, send it to me. Show the support local business,
Tag
small
them on
business.
Instagram. Tag
Subscribe to them. You will get a hiding if you come here into my yard. You will get a hiding.